If your quiz program has access to quiz equipment, the portion of practice where you review practice questions with your team can look very different. The activities discussed earlier can certainly be used for any quiz practice as a way to use different activities that reach the most students. Here are some ways to use jump seats and quiz equipment along with practice questions in order to prepare your students for upcoming quiz meets. During this time, have a standard competition-style practice. Ask 20 competition-style questions and keep score manually or using the computerized quiz equipment. As teaching moments arise during the set of questions, use these examples and time together to address soft skills as they relate to competitive quizzing. You may notice one or more students with inefficient jumping techniques that can be easily corrected through jump practice. Students may not be using all of their opportunities to pre-jump on certain questions. To show students where to jump, you can ask questions again, verbally emphasizing where the question becomes unique or attainable. While the quizzers are practicing answering questions, it may also be a great time to demonstrate when and how to make a challenge or give a rebuttal, using the practice context as a great time to take that chance. All of these experiences lend to further discussions about potential rule violations that students can learn about in a real-life practice setting. While students may not have another team to quiz against at practice, you can set up a scenario that gives them a similar experience. In the perfect team drill, ask the standard 20 competition-style questions. The team is competing against an imaginary perfect team that gets every bonus correct and gets full credit for every question that is completely read or all unanswered questions if your team does not yet pre-jump consistently. As your team grows its skill level, this exercise can aid with team strategy by randomly choosing 6 to 8 questions that the perfect team will get no matter what jump your team takes. This helps more competitive teams adjust how they share the responsibility for questions throughout the round. Pair an aggressive quizzer with a reserved quizzer, creating several teams of 2 quizzers. On odd-numbered questions, the aggressive quizzers jump at their normal pace, but his or her reserved partner must finish the question and give the answer. On even-numbered questions, the reserved quizzer jumps at the point where they think his or her partner can finish the question and give the answer. The goal is to show the reserve quizzers that they can answer pre-jump questions and to give them practice jumping early. In addition to using the traditional point scale for a quiz, create additional tasks that award bonus points. Award bonus points during practice for accomplishing predetermined challenges. For example, 30 points for answering the context question, 10 points bonus for answering 2 questions in a row, 5 points bonus for answering a pre-jump correctly, 10-point bonus for answering 2 memory verses. A very popular activity that uses traditional quiz equipment but a different set of quiz rules is King or Queen of the Hill. There are many variations of this game. Here's an example. Have all the quizzers fill every available seat beginning with seat number 1. Quizzers move up towards seat number 1 2 chairs on every correct toss-up. Quizzers move down 1 chair or to the very end on every error. The king or queen of the hill must answer all bonus attempts or risk moving down 1 chair. The goal is to be in seat number 1 at the end of the 20 questions. Having access to quiz equipment, a red box, a blue box, or a computerized set is beneficial to any quiz program. Many programs and districts share equipment or sell used equipment. Connect with your district quiz director for resources that can be purchased or shared.